Coco, sit down.
Seeing where we at today?
Pismo Beach.
Pismo who?
Pismo Beach.
So, Bo, you order online, right?
Yeah, I need to go check in now.
Okay, go. Got a long line there. Let's go out the door.
Can't see what I want. Can't see. Ooh.
So this is the seafood combo.
Yes, seafood combo is right here. It's the clam chowder.
So here's the clam chowder.
What, half a bread?
Yeah,
Half? Yeah, I'll give you a full one.
Pawa wanted to eat so bad. Right, Pawa?
Here you go. I put it right here, okay? Keep on, this is yours, okay? You want to see, you want to try it.
How's it, seeing? Is it good?
Yeah.
All the
And
stuff that comes with it. What's that? Cheese?
yeah. Some cheese. It's
That's it? One more. Bacon. Can't forget the bacon.
Coco, sit down. 미쳤대요.
Okay, mix it.
Coco,
Try it, Mom. You try first.
Yummy.
Look. You happy now, Mom?
Yeah.
I can't hear you. Happy now?
Mm.
Okay, she's happy. Good stuff.
Mama, you want more bread?
Punchy. Punchy. Try it, Zay. Come
You
on.
want to try? You probably want to try?
How's your alien?
Last time you this one, you said it was good.
It's from outer space. How does it taste like? Seeing is right there. Oh, you're so good, Suyang. You're so good, Milan. This is the part where they left us. They are right over here. So they're at. Going this way now. What does that say? Read it. Say something?
Beach.
Yeah, that's right, beach. No, don't hit that. Where are you? Hi, where are you? Did you find them? Might be them.
Kipa, Mulan, how's your progress? Good. Kipa, look this way. Hi. Picture time?
This guy's falling asleep. Here's Kipa. Come on, Kipa. Where are you running? Where are you going, Kipa? Kipa's running. Are you feeding?
What are you guys doing?
I play sand.
Very sand?
Yeah.
Are you guys trying to make a sandcastle?
Yeah. I want to sand.
No, no. Oh, see, me. Oh, okay. Go, put it back in the water. Made it to the end, boys. Yeah, it's the end. Happy call? You okay? A lot of people fishing here. That's my cousin right there. Got a fish.